Hello, friends. Welcome to Akulmek Live. And today, in our leadership talk session, we will be joined by a very senior, eminent personality from India. His name is Mr. Naveen Toshniwal, and his passion is to do grapho analysis and subsequently graphotherapy. So, without further ado, let's welcome Mr. Naveen Toshniwal.
Hello everyone, how are you?
Well, we are all fine, Naveen, and welcome to the show. A lot of viewers are watching our conversation for past few weeks, and today, what we want to know is basically how you use handwriting um, to basically change the character of the person. So, essentially, what my question is related to therapy. How do you basically impart therapy, having identified the problem areas into an individual?
See, first part, as we have discussed in the earlier sessions also, it is the analysis of personality or character through the strokes in the handwriting. See, now most of us already know how we are or what we are. Just that after the analysis, it is reconfirmed and you become probably more aware of some of the characteristics which you were doubtful about or you were wondering ye hamare mein hai ki nahi hai. So it is a tool whereby we can reconfirm the traits which are inherent in us. See now, if we do the analysis and leave it at that, how does it help you? Most important part is the therapy, how we can actually change ourselves or change our personality simply by consciously changing and practicing some small strokes in the handwriting. Now, the common query which people ask is, see, these days we don't write. And it's a fact also. We are mostly on text and we are messaging and we are on computers. But here the exercise of the therapy is just spending 5 minutes a day, only 5 minutes a day for a duration of 3 weeks. Once you do this practice for 3 weeks, you will change. Your personality, your character will improve for the better. And thereafter, if you wish, you can stop the writing. There is no compulsion that you continue it for lifelong or forever.
Well, Naveenji, in fact, your way of taking this thing forward is very, very good. However, I will ask you one question. You may have the answer, you may not, but still, let me ask you this question. The way we are going ahead in our future is basically going into something called Web 3.0. And when I say Web 3.0, it actually means that the entire internet will be supported by something called blockchain, which is the underlying technology of cryptocurrency. And that is something which moves against the regulation. So currently, if you see our business environment, there are a lot of regulation. There are telecom regulation, there are taxation, there are this and that, RBI regulations, central bank, and so on and so forth. The blockchain technology is cannot be regulated. It is designed in such a way that it cannot be regulated. So more and more people will migrate to this online medium, and there will be a requirement for a personal identity, and using that identity you will actually log on to internet. So right now we log into Facebook, we log into LinkedIn, we log into our banking application. Once Web 3.0 comes in, which is a couple of years from now, there will be logging into the internet itself. And once you log in, then you will have access to everything: your cryptocurrency, your web profile, your social media profile, your banking application, and so on and so forth. So there is no need for anyone to write. I gave you a long narration before asking you the question. There will be no need to write anything, and there will be an identity which is a web identity which is equal to your personal identity. So going forward, what is the future of graphotherapy or grapho analysis when people are not even going to write anything, from your point of view, Naveen? I hope you appreciate my question.
It's a very valid question. A lot of people ask me this question. But the thing is, as I already told you in the earlier sessions also, it is a therapy. You don't need to write every day to get over your negative traits. You just have to make up your mind that, okay, I want to improve myself. I will do this therapy for a small duration of 2 to 3 weeks. And spending 5 minutes a day is no big deal. So once you make up your mind, you just have to practice this 5 minutes a day and you will get the changes. And as I told you earlier, once you get the desired changes, there is no need for you to continue writing lifelong. It's like a medicine, if you are unwell, you take a medicine for some time, you get out of your problems, and that's all. The medicine course is over. So this therapy is not linked with everyday writing, not at all. और इसमें ये भी है, see, Chandrakant ji, the students still write. The students are still writing. Not that the writing is completely off and will be completely off. But the fact remains that it is a therapy which we have to follow for a short duration, get the desired improvements, and that's it. You don't have to be in a mode of writing continuously.
Well, I think that's a good analogy that you have given. That as long as you are able to identify what is the drawback in you, and then follow just 5 minutes practice every day, and then probably improve certain areas which are of concern. So I think it's a very good strategy to improve your personality, I would say. My question at this point in time would be related to how this therapy is imparted. Like you have given the target of writing for 5 minutes for a couple of weeks or every day for 5 minutes, but how do you judge that this person is improving or not improving?
See, first of all, we have to keep in mind that the therapy will be given based on the entire assessment of the personality of a person. First of all, we identify the individual traits. What are the positive points? What are the negative points in a particular person? Then we combine all the characteristics or all the traits and we formulate or get a picture of the person in our mind that these are the things or the areas where the improvement is needed. For example, if a person is ambitious, but goals are not defined. So we have to give a stroke whereby it helps a person to identify the long-term goals more clearly. Or if a person is very intelligent but lacking self-confidence, so we have to give a stroke whereby the self-confidence can be improved. Remember, the therapy is always individual based. Every person is unique. So it is not that we give a general therapy that you change a particular stroke and you will get the following or desired improvements. I'll give you an example. Most of us, we will say that willpower is a positive trait. Yes, in the normal course, we will say that, but take a situation where a person is having a very nasty temper. He is having strong resentment, very expressive and dishonest. If you increase the willpower of that person, what will happen? Don't you think it will be a disaster? So we have to be very careful and we have to give the therapy based on the entire analysis of the personality or character. And then we decide the therapy on individual basis.
So in that case, the therapy is for 3 weeks or a month. How long is the therapy? And how many sessions the person will have to come in front of you?
See, normally in 3 weeks, people are able to see or feel the desired changes. If someone says, no, I'm not able to completely feel the difference, then we might extend it for a week or so. But as of now, as per my experience, therapy is generally over in a maximum time of 4 weeks. 3 weeks is ideal. In 3 weeks, you will be able to get the desired changes. Now, regarding your second part of the question, that how many times we have to interact. Client is always welcome to interact with me anytime. I will give the therapy after doing the analysis on the first day, and I will recommend the stroke changes to be made in the handwriting. And it will be in three parts. First part will be for 1 week, second part will be for the second week, and third part will be for the third week. And there will be slight changes in the way in which I'm recommending the therapy in the 3 weeks. They have to just write the practice every day, 5 minutes homework every day, and send me a snapshot of what they are writing. And I will give my comments whether it is going fine or whether they need to improve the strokes or the strokes they are making is not up to the mark. And thereafter, after 1 week, we will compulsorily have one interaction. After the first week, I will make a small change in the therapy. Thereafter, after the second week, there will be another compulsory interaction on phone. And by the end of the third week, or I can say in the middle of the second week or by the end of third week, the people will start experiencing the changes. In fact, some people even start feeling positive just 3 to 4 days after starting the therapy. Of course, it may be difficult for them to judge how they are actually able to feel on that particular trait, whether they are finding an improvement or not. But a general positivity will definitely be felt once they start the therapy.
Well, Naveen I think one more question I have with regard to therapy, and that is, how do you give the therapy? I mean, how is it that suppose a person has three drawbacks or three traits which needs correction? So you take one trait for 3 weeks, or you take all three all at the same time for 3 weeks? How does it work, Naveen
Yeah, this is a very interesting question. See, the thing is that suppose there are three characteristics which are to be changed. For example, building up of long-term goals, building up of willpower, and getting over self-doubt. So if someone has to be given therapy for these three traits at a time, just one or two stroke changes need to be made. So the therapy in the first phase, we will go in for one or two stroke changes only, which will have a multiple impact, and it will help the person to improve on all the three traits which I just mentioned. Suppose someone has to build up uh, determination, then there is a separate stroke for that. So practically, it is very difficult to change 3 or 4 strokes in your handwriting overnight. It is very difficult. So we have to go in phases. First phase of 3 weeks, we will go in for the improvements or suggestions which are most important or of a priority. Once 3 weeks are over and the person feels that the desired changes have come, and if they are interested to go in for further improvements, then we will tackle a second set of traits for which some other strokes or other letters are to be changed.
So I think my assessment was also right that it depends on the situation. It depends on what is the kind of improvement is desired. So it could be a longer therapy, but if there are, if especially the correction is much wider. But if it's a short correction, small things needs to be corrected, it can be done in 3 weeks. So it was a pleasure
Correct.
talking to you, Naveen ji. It was definitely always a pleasure whenever you come to our show. It is so wonderful to learn about these things, which is sort of a lost art right now. So, it's my personal pleasure, I must say, to learn about not only identifying the leadership traits from handwriting, but also bringing them upfront. I think it's an amazing science.
Yeah, that's very true. It's an amazing science, and the results are assured. There is no if and but about it. If you dedicatedly practice the therapy by spending just 5 minutes a day, the results will definitely come. There is no question that the results will not come. See, as I told you, I am doing this as a passion. If the results were not coming, I would have probably left pursuing this passion long back.
Certainly, I think, Naveenji. So, thank you so much for joining us today. I'm sure some of our viewers would like to seek your help. We will make the connection happen. So, thank you so much, and wish you a very good week for rest of the week, and Happy New Year.
Thanks so much. Same to you.
So, friends, as I mentioned, that we are moving towards the online arena, and the Web 3.0 will bring lot of changes in which we actually live today. We will not have a physical currency, we will have all the businesses online. And when this happens, the leadership quality will make lot of difference, whether you succeed or you fail. So I think this is a good choice. You can actually write to us. We will make you talk to Mr. Naveen Toshniwal. You can actually seek his help to understand where you stand in terms of leadership question. And if you have some gaps, you can actually correct it. And it is just 3 weeks time. You have nothing to lose. So with this, I end my show today, and I'll see you in the next one.